All right, let's get right into it. What really separates professional traders from everybody else? Spoiler alert, it's not some secret magical algorithm. It's a complete and total shift in mindset. We're going to break down how mastering risk is the real key to turning all that market mystery into genuine mastery.
For almost every single person who starts trading, the journey begins in the exact same place: the hunt for a perfect system. There's this core belief that if you can just find the right set of rules, profits will just, start rolling in automatically. And this whole search for the holy grail system, it usually boils down to these big questions. The logic seems totally sound, right? If I can just figure out when to get in, when to get out, and how big my trade should be, boom, I've got the complete blueprint for success. But is it really that simple? Well, here's the catch. You can have the most brilliant, back-tested system in the world, but if you don't apply it consistently, it's basically useless. The real goal isn't just finding a system. It's building the discipline to follow it, day in and day out. Because consistent action is the only path to consistent results. Anything else is pretty much just gambling. Okay, so let's talk about guarantees. In the crazy, uncertain world of trading, there is one and only one thing that is absolutely 100% guaranteed to happen.
And there it is, the unavoidable truth. You will have losing trades. No strategy on earth wins all the time. And accepting this, truly, deeply accepting it, is the first giant leap toward thinking like a professional. Losses aren't failures. They are simply a non-negotiable cost of doing business. So if you can't avoid losses, what do? Well, you change the entire game you're playing. Professionals stop trying to be right 100% of the time, and instead, they shift their focus to mastering the balance between three critical levers. Now, this is where that professional mindset really starts to shine. They're not trying to eliminate risk. That's impossible. Instead, they're constantly weighing these three factors. They're asking themselves, okay, given the probability of this working out, is the potential reward truly worth the risk I have to take? It's all about finding that healthy balance. And I love this quote because it brilliantly illustrates how pros reframe risk. It's not some evil thing you have to avoid at all costs. Just think of it like the price of a movie ticket. It's the cost of admission you're willing to pay for the chance to see a profitable outcome. It's just an operational expense.
So, how do we make all this practical? Let's take this idea of risk as the price of admission and turn it into a concrete toolkit that you can actually use on every single trade.
The single most important tool in that entire kit is position sizing. This is your control dial. This is what allows you to decide before you even place a trade exactly how much capital you are willing to risk. It gives you total control over the risk part of that whole risk-reward equation. And within that toolkit, there is one golden, non-negotiable rule. This is the one that protects not just your capital, but honestly, your sanity. And that rule is to never, ever risk more than 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. And here's why this is so unbelievably critical. This rule isn't just about math, it's all about psychology. See, you can handle a few small, manageable losses and stay objective, but a big loss? Oh man, that triggers fear, greed, and panic. It erodes your capital and your ability to think straight. This rule is your shield. It keeps you in the game, both financially and mentally. Which brings us to the biggest hurdle for most aspiring traders. And it's not the charts, it's not the news, it's not even the strategy. It's the intense psychological battle that happens in that tiny split second before you click the buy or sell button. So many intelligent people who are successful in their careers, they come into trading with this exact mindset. They think, I follow complex processes at work every day. Just teach me the steps and I'll execute them flawlessly. They find out very quickly it's just not that simple. Because there is a massive psychological chasm between executing a process at work with company money, answering to a boss, and executing a trade for yourself. Now it's your money on the line, and you're the only one holding yourself accountable. All of a sudden, bending the rules is very, very tempting, and every little tick of the price feels intensely personal. And this is why it all circles back to risk. By strictly managing your risk on every trade, by keeping those potential losses small and, unemotional, you are building a firewall. A firewall between your rational trading plan and all those destructive emotional impulses that can totally wipe you out. So, what's the end game here? Where does this journey of discipline and risk management ultimately lead? It's all about moving through the stages of learning until the right actions become completely automatic. When you first start, applying your risk rules is going to feel a little clunky. You'll have to consciously think through every single step. This stage is called conscious competence. You know what you need to do, but it takes deliberate, focused effort. But after hundreds of trades, after consistently applying your rules again and again and again, something amazing happens. The whole process becomes second nature. You manage risk without even thinking about it. This is unconscious competence, and that, right there, is the true signature of a professional. So it all comes down to this one question. You really need to ask yourself, are you treating trading like a business, or are you treating it like a lottery ticket? Are you just hunting for that one lucky win, or are you committed to building a real, sustainable business that's founded on the disciplined management of risk? Your answer is going to define your entire future in the markets.
If our videos help you stay sharp episode after episode, hit pause, like, subscribe, and keep learning. Your support means a lot to us.